Hi, my weapon of choice when it comes to creating game characters or any sort of objects in the game is Blender. Blender transports over to Unity, the platform we'll be working with, really easily. Mastering this tool is a bit tricky, but with my help, if this is your choice, I think we can get going at least with basics that we'll need for this game. So right now I'll just make a quick plane model to demonstrate how quickly you can create with Blender once you're proficient with it. Okay, here we have a plane that we will use as placeholder for my tests. Before I transport it to Unity, I will delete the camera, the light, everything that won't be needed. Yeah, that'll do.